What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority. Guess what, safety is number one priority is going to be back every time because I'm bringing my slow motion camera out, I'm bringing liquid nitrogen back, dry ice, science experiments, and I will actually put to the test $500 knives. I'm going to destroy them. Less on that because in the last 2 years I did too much of that. Let's bring back awesome fun content. I'm excited. I've been busy with kids, with life. Now as you can see, I changed and everything. I built this studio. There's a lot more to improve on. This is in just what I built in just 2 weeks. I moved everything out, get rid of it, sold it. I'll get my life together with all this clutter that I had. It was clutter in my mind. Now it's all gone. I'm really excited to bring it back. So I got dry ice and I thought, what will happen if you put dry ice under the frozen pool of ice? So dry ice under the ice. Let's go check it out. Also, don't go away after that. We're gonna have a whole bunch of different experiments, tests, gadget tests, whatever I come up with. Follow some trends, everything. So it's gonna be like back 10 years, 11 years ago when I was doing those crazy cool experiments, liquid nitrogens, whatever, but the videos were 3-minute long. Now I'm gonna package it all up, awesome ideas into this 10, 20, 30-minute videos, even MREs. I'm just gonna be package it up instead of 15-minute video. Maybe you'll see it at the end of this kind of videos with dry ice, science experiments, kitchen gadgets. So just mix it up. So let's evolve this channel. Let's bring it back. 12 million subscribers plus. Let's not put it to waste. Let's go. I'm back. Hopefully you guys gonna be back as well. What's up guys? I got icy pool this year because pool cover broke during the hurricane. So let's take advantage with that and put some dry ice under the ice. Dry ice is minus 78 degrees, so it's best to kind of not to hold it super. Ooh, wow, that's a solid ice. Oh, dry ice making noise. Wow, that's satisfying. That is pretty satisfying. The water is cold. Wow, look how thick the ice is, and it's so clear. So we're gonna throw all this dry ice in, see what happens. Wow, it's much heavier, so it's kind of sinking. Woohoo! That is awesome! Oh my gosh, look, it's coming up right here. Where do these bubbles go? Whoa, we found it. Oh, that's so cool. Look at that. Ooh. Now we're going everywhere. Dry ice under the ice. Oh, look at that. There's some stuck. That's what I was hoping would happen. But most of it is coming up right there. Wow, look at that. That's hilarious. Still going strong. That's awesome. Kind of lifting up the ice. Sounds like it's cracking a little bit. I'll grab a piece of dry ice and smash on it. That is so cool, look at that. It's gonna melt soon, I know you all want me to do. Oh, it's stuck. Oh, having too much fun with this. There you go. That's a thick ice. Look how thick that is. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below another weird experiments. I'm gonna try to do more things like that. So that was an interesting science experiment, but guess what? Next we're gonna put to the test this. Something that I thought could be possible in the future, but they never done such an awesome gadget. This is a lantern slash camping stove. Let's go outside, put it to the test. Super quick unboxing. Check out this lantern, a really big wick. That's the biggest wick I've ever seen. And all we have to do is put this with a couple of notches right here that holds it together, and it becomes a stove. So let's fill it up and go try to do a boil test. I wish it came with the funnel. We'll do the best we can. Fail. I guess we're bringing back fails as well. So there's actually opening if you don't have a tall lighter camping, and it slides up easy. Wow. So or a tall lighter, I could do it over the top, lock it through. Amazing. Wow, that's gonna be bright. Obviously I don't have to test that. What I want to test is, boom, a big pot of water can sit like this. Incredible. Look at that. And I can make a flame much bigger by pulling this out much bigger. So we're gonna put it on pretty much maximum. Go big or go home, and I filled it up quite a bit of the water now. Not too much because I don't want to be here all day. Going to burn off all that smoke, but this is incredible. So we're getting the light and we boiling water. Wow. Obviously we're not going to boil it the fastest way because there's much better gas stoves. This is more like you got the light and at the same time a stove. So we're gonna leave it alone, see if it actually boils the water or not. Who remember this apple trick? This regular apple, how do we split in half without a knife? What I done before is stuck my thumb in it and push it through enough to where it popped. Oh man, if it's too hard, sometimes those apples are a bit harder than the other ones. You just lay it right here and put your finger right in the middle of it and go like this. Works every time. That's much easier. Now that it's in half, you can do another half much now that it's cracked. Yeah, that is the easiest way to do it. You can jam it, your finger to it, but some of them again super. Ow! Some of them are too hard, and the easiest way to do it is a finger. Boom! Whoops. Well, at least there's a half an apple for yourself. You tried to share, but you know what? You dropped it on the floor. There's another half. Okay, I give this thing like 20 minutes. It's starting to rain. What happened to it? Half of the screen got dirty. Luckily it takes apart. I can clean that easily. But it's boiling. I cannot believe it. A giant pot of water boiling in a cold temperature. It's about like 40 degrees out here. That's it. It's boiling so nice. Yeah, definitely overdid the flame. Maybe the pot is too big. You want some of that smoke to evaporate. But you know what? This is removable and we can clean the mirror, no problem. I'm amazed. Wow. I'm gonna let it cool off. And this is how the it is hot. So be careful, guys. I'm gonna keep fails in it. Hopefully you guys can make new compilations on me failing. But yeah, this opens for that design to clean the mirror. Yeah, this water is definitely hot. This one I've done years ago. How to start a fire with a broken lighter. All you have is a spark. Well, first of all, if you have something like really cool science experiment, I'm sorry, one of these like a fire starter tenders, that would be no problem. Like a cotton ball or anything, you just fluff it up and spark it, and it's on fire. That's how easy it is, right? But let's say we don't have any. Let's try to do it with the toilet paper. You see, with the toilet paper or napkin, we're gonna be doing this for a while. It's just not doing it. So let's say we don't have the fire starter like that one, you know, or cotton ball. I'm going to just use an entire flint to the oblivion to where it's going to just explode. So this is not efficient. Grab a napkin like this, stay away from the wind, and then you want to scrape it to where the flint scrapings going down over there onto these napkins without sparking it, because we don't want to spark it up and light it on fire by mistake. So just gotta go slow but consistent. So I'm gonna get a minute, stay away from the wind. I just lit up. Finally it's raining out here. We have some forest fires not too far away from us as well, but it's going to rain soon, even today. So the rain will contain the fires around here. You see, I did too soon and I failed. That's not what we want to do. So now let's start this again. I wasn't paying attention. Okay, here's my powder over there. Ooh, it moves around, so I'm gonna try to put it together so that way we have one concentrated spot. And then now I'm gonna actually spark it and try to light it up. Oh, I burned the hole to it and it on fire. Don't lose it. Ooh, look at that, it's sparking more. That's amazing. We got it going. I thought I missed it. Got it here, $190 monthly subscription box. This is the only subscription box that is worth it. So we have right here real steel right away. Really very famous brand. We're gonna go through it super quickly. This is like go to for $100 by itself right here. Wow, incredible. So boom, and then flick it. Real steel is really popular. Whoa, Kirby. These Kirby knives are incredibly expensive. Let's scan one of them quickly. This is titanium made in China blue. Let's see what's about. Oh, this is a tiny pry bar. That is hilarious. So that's one is probably closer to $50. Fidgety little pry bar in keychain, I guess. I mean, this is totally worth $200. So many knives. Pretty awesome. Check this out. Yellow liner lock. Another Kirby knife. What? Incredible. M290 plus titanium, made in China. Ooh, $165. There you go. This one knife pretty much pays for entire box over here. Kirby knives is like almost handmade knife. A lot of them very expensive. This is more like a production knives. Ooh, phone flipper, titanium M290 steel, beautiful. Liner lock, super smooth. Also, I don't know, I guess I could flick it this way. Incredible. So I don't even have to look them up. The prime is $330 worth of stuff for $189. This is $165. That's easily another $150. So that's amazing. Guess what, guys? McDonald's Happy Meal got Pokemon cards. Pokemon cards are so expensive nowadays, so that's probably the cheapest way to get Pokemon cards. They're different, but I think this set is amazing because it has Charizard in it, it has Umbreon, it has some stickers. So I'm gonna do quick unboxing for some people to like actually go and jump on it. That is awesome. So it's like a kind of like a sticker activity. You put the faces and the heads all over. That is cool. But it comes with one of this Dragonite pack. As you can see, there's different packs, I think. But see what is inside there. There's Charizard, there's Pikachu, Umbreon. So that's definitely something to chase. Let's see how many of them going to be holographic. Caradion. Ooh, Charizard, nice. So there you go. I don't know if there is a Holo Charizard and Dragapult. And Quaxia? Not really sure. 4 cards, kind of bent a little bit, came like this. But that's amazing. We got Charizard, too bad not Holo. I love that pattern. So yeah, go chase it. Follow me on my second channel, third channel, fifth channel, whatever. Pokemon channel, links in description. I'm going to be opening up a lot of those, and I got something really cool at Sam's Club as well. Really good deal. I bought out the entire section of it. Well, guys, I'm still playing around with lights, background, still gonna do a few more things. Also going to buy a new camera and microphone. I got a new microphone, but my camera is too old and messed up. So upgrade still coming, quality is still coming. Also, hopefully you guys enjoy this kind of like a mix of things, like a new gadgets, whatever you call it, some older videos that a lot of people say like a nostalgia. Man, I used to watch it 10 years ago when I was a kid. Now I'm like 22. That's what I hear a lot. So we're gonna throw in some nostalgia things, so do it better. We're gonna mix it all up. Just hold on, guys, give me a chance. It's gonna be a lot of fun. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.